Hello, and welcome to Module 4, Lesson 5. Hello, and welcome to Module 4, Lesson 5. Today is Wednesday, March 16th. Wednesday, March 17th. It is the third month, the 17th day. The year is 2021. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. We're going to look at our clock and tell time to the hour. First, we see the time is 5 o'clock. So let's see what that is going to look like on a digital clock. We see the hour of 5 and the minutes is 00, so we have 5 o'clock. We're going to come over here and put the hour hand on the clock. We see the hour hand points to the 5, telling us it is 5, and the minute hand, remember the minutes are all these little ones, 60 all the way around, and when you hit 59, it goes back to 00 for the hour, so the hour is 5 o'clock. The hour 5, the minutes 0, 5 o'clock. Today, it is sunny. It is still on the cold side. All right, we have been in school for 133 days. Please count along with me. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133. All right, see if you can write 6 different ways on your whiteboard to make 133. You're doing great. Keep it up. I bet you're coming up with some amazing ways to make 133. Awesome job. Did you find 6 different ways to make 133? Excellent. All right, so we are going to sing along, counting by tens.
Kids, I think it's time we go on a little hike together. Only on this mountain, we're going to be counting by tens. Right. Brace yourselves, kids, because as we go up this mountain, we're counting up to 100 by tens. Get your backpack. Don't forget your water bottle. It's hiking time. I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
90,
90, 100. Whoa, did you see that mountain lion? Or was it a bear? Let's be sneaky and find out. Shh, quiet. Oh, never mind, it was just a pine tree. Let's keep hiking. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3, 4. I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, They're beautiful. Let's get our climbing ropes and go all the way to the top. Here we go. I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We made it! Let's celebrate!
All right, sorry about
Kids,
all
I think
that glitching, but let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and I gave you a gift, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and 200. Remember that dimes represent 10. They are worth 10 cents. All right, here's our application problem. Directions. Draw a picture to show how many. Lee has 4 pencils and buys 10 more. Kiana has 17 pencils and loses 10 of them. Who has more pencils? Draw a picture showing what Lee has and what Kiana has. Can you figure out who has more? All right, so here we see the 10 plus the 4 more equals 14. Then we see the 17 losing the 10 and having 7. So we can see that the 14 was more. When we made drawings to show this Rec and Rec bracelet stretched out, we called it a 5-group column. You're right. We drew 10 circles showing the beads. We also drew a line through it to show that there are 10 circles or beads. So 2 5 groups makes a 10 group. How many individual beads are there? Can you think of an addition sentence using these beads or Rec and Recs? Did you say 10 plus 4 equals 14? Awesome job! All right, how many beads are there now? All right, count the 10 groups and then the beads by themselves. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Did you say 34? Give yourself a high five. Great job. All right, let's look at a shortcut for how to draw 34. We'll call this a quick 10. So remember I told you for the 10s, we're just going to draw a line. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Try this one by yourself. Can you draw a quick right of 31? Did you draw 3 lines and 1 circle for 31? Try this one, 53. Did you draw 5 10 sticks and 3 ones All right, give yourselves a 1 clap. Try this one. 40. Did you draw 4 10 sticks? Give yourselves a 2 clap. Let's draw 15. Here we see our 10 stick and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1 10, 5 ones. How many 10s and 1s are there? All right, now let's see what 1 more than 15 would be. Here's my 10, and my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more makes 16. 1 10, 6 ones. So I have 15, or 1 10 and 5 ones plus 1 equals 1 10 and 6 ones, or 16. 1 more than 15 is 16. Say this with me. 1 more than 15 is 16. Let's try again, and this time add 10. If we add 10, we have to change the tens place in our place value chart. So here we're changing the tens place, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so we have 1 10, 5 ones plus 10. So we're adding a 10, so this is going to change to 2 10s and 5 ones, or 15 plus 10 is 25. 10 more than 15 is 25. Say this with me. 10 more than 15 is 25. All right, here we go for our lesson.
Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 5. The other day we went and saw this super cool show. Have you seen it? It's all about monster trucks. Oh, monster trucks are so cool because they're so big. Well, when I was there at the monster truck show, I took some pictures. And here are the pictures that I took. Do you see? Now, if you'll see the pictures of them around the track, those are groups of 10s of the monster trucks that I saw. That's right. I saw 2 groups of 10 in monster trucks, and then when I was walking outside, I saw 3 more, all by themselves. They weren't in groups of 10s. So far, how many monster trucks did I see from that picture? I have 2 groups of 10s plus 3 more ones. So that would be 20 plus 3 equals, 23. I saw 23 monster trucks. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, it was super exciting. I'm going to go ahead and organize that good information into a place value map. I'm going to say I had 2 10s and 3 1s, or 23. Oh no, I forgot. Out by the exit when you're leaving, there is another monster truck. So I didn't just see 23, I saw one more. Oh, boo. I already filled in my place value, Matt. What can I do? Well, I need to update it, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and draw an arrow and write +1 above it because I thought I only saw 23, but then I saw 1 more. 1 more. That means I'm going to add 1 more. Now, if I have my place value mat and it's empty, and I had 2 10s and 3 1s, but then I added 1 more, what would I put into my place value mat? Oh yeah, 2 10s and 4 1s. Because my groups of 10s didn't change at all. But my groups of 1s totally did. I went from having just 3 1s to 4 1s. You know what? I didn't even think about it, but this is going to be really helpful because our learning goal for today says that I can change a number by 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less. Let's try it. Let's see. Here's a picture of a number. Well, I know that those are big, tall 10 towers, and then that little one by itself is a 1. What number do you see in that picture? Can you say a number the regular way? Yeah, 31. I know it's 31 because the 10 towers are each worth 10. Let's count by tens as we tap on the 10 towers, and then count up by 1 when we get to the 1. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31. Ah, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and put 31 into a place value mat, to be organized and everything. There we go. I have my tens and ones. What number am I going to put into the tens? Yeah, 3, because I have 3 groups of tens. How many ones are there? Just 1. There we go. I have 3 tens and 1 ones. Oh, man, whoopsie. I found another one. I'm going to go ahead and draw an arrow and say plus 1 more because I did find another one. I'm going to have to put that into a place value mat. Let's see. There he is. So what's my number going to be inside my place value mat if I'm adding 1 more, like it says plus 1, and that 1 flew in? Do my tens change at all? Nah, that'll still say 3. What about my ones? Yeah, my ones change. It'll say 2. So I'll say I now have 3 tens and 2 ones. Do you notice how the tens didn't change at all? It was only the ones because I was only adding 1 more. Now, my learning goal said 1 more and 1 less. Let's try that one. What if I had 13? So I have 1 10 and 3 ones. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take 1 away. That means I'm going to subtract 1, or I'm going to take 1 less. Oh, that's going to be hard to do. You know what? I'm just going to draw a picture first. Let's see. Oh, there, that's helpful. So if I have 1 10 and 3 ones, let me check. 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. And it says 1 less, or minus 1. What do you think I could do to one of those ones to get rid of it? Yeah, I'll just take it away. Good idea. Zoop. Now, looking at the picture now that I've taken 1 less, what would I fill into my place value mat? Yeah, I have 1 10 and how many ones? You're right, just 2. So I have 1 10 and 2 ones. Friend, what number is that the regular way? Yeah, it's 12. Wow, you were so good at this. Let's keep practicing. What if I had this number? Ooh, that's a biggie. Go ahead and count and try to figure out what number that is. You know what? I'm going to have you go ahead and pause right here and get your dry erase board or your math journal, because I'm going to actually have you write down that number. So press play when you're ready. All right, you in a good spot? So here we go. I want you to go ahead and write down the number that you see. Don't forget, there's 10 towers there. Press play when you're ready to compare your answer with mine. All right, what number did you get? You did? You got 46? Me too, friend. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. All right. Did you write down 46 the regular way? Oh, perfect. If you didn't yet, can you put that into a place value mat and see what the answer is? Oh, good. Does your place value mat look like mine? And that's because I see there's 4 groups of tens. That's why I wrote 4 tens. And there's 6 ones. So I wrote 6 ones. Now we've been adding 1 more. This time we're going to get a little wild and we're going to add 10 more. Ooh. There's my empty place value map. Let's see if I have that good picture to help me out, and I'm going to add 10 more. What number would go into my new place value map? Now, as you're figuring out, this is what I'd like you to do. You should have 46 already written down in your math notebook or in your journal. I want you to go ahead and practice drawing that arrow and then writing plus 10 right above it, just like I did. Then I want you to fill in the answer. Press play when you're ready so you can check yourself. All right, ready? Here we go. Now I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, and then still 6 ones. Look at, only my tens changed because I was adding a new group of 10. Did my ones change at all? Nah, I didn't add any ones, just tens. This is going really well. What if we did 10 less now? All right, friend, what number is that? If that big long stick is a 10 tower, what number do you see? Yeah, you're right, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or I could even say 10 plus 5 equals 15. In your math journal or your dry erase board, can you go ahead and write that number, that 15, in a place value map? Press play when you're ready to check yourself. Okay, does yours look like that? Well, it should. There should be 1 10, as you see in the picture, and then 5 ones. This time, we're going to take 10 away. We're going to say 10 less. So right next to where you wrote 15, I want you to write a little arrow, and then right above that, write minus 10, because 10 less means we're going to take away a 10. Now, I know that I can make the numbers or the pictures come in and out on this show, but when you have a piece of paper, you really can't erase some of them. It's going to be easier just to put a big X on the things that are leaving. So we want to find out what 15 would be if we have 10 less. So we're going to put a big X on the group of 10s. Go ahead and tap with your finger on your iPad what we're going to put a big X over. Yeah, you're right, the 10 tower, because he's worth 10. Now, since we've X'd him out, we're going to pretend like he's not there. And what's left over that's not X'd out? You got it, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, man, how am I going to put that into my place value map? Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm going to put 5 in the ones. Do I have to put anything in the 10s? No. I crossed it out, so there are no 10s left. So I don't even have to put anything in there. Good job. All right, let's try a few more. All right, this time, instead of doing the arrow with the minus 10 or the plus 10 above it, I put it into words. It says 10 more than 46 is. And then you'll see that empty place value map. Now, I'm not going to draw a picture this time, but if you need to, you can draw a picture in your math journal or your dry erase board to figure it out. Press play when you're ready to check yourself. You're finding 10 more than 46. All right, ready? So 10 more than 46, that would be 56, or 5 10s and 6 ones. What would 10 less than 46 be then? Go ahead and press pause while you're figuring it out and press play when you're ready to check yourself. All right, so if I had 46 and I took away one group of 10s, I would have, 3 groups of 10s left. But my ones haven't changed, so that'll stay there. So 10 less than 46 is 3 10s and 6 1, or 36. Our learning goal for today said, I can change a number by 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less. And that's pretty much what we've been practicing this whole time. What I would like you to do right now is this is what you're going to seesaw to your teacher. Now, I started putting some in place value mats, and then I stopped. The place value mats are really just to help keep us organized. So you'll see for the first two, they have place value mats, and then arrows, and then an empty place value mat. I want you to go ahead and draw the picture just like you see it. And then your job is to fill in the change. So 47 is going to change by 1 more. 12 is going to change by 10 more. And then 35 is going to change by 10 less. Now, I'm not going to draw the pictures, but if you need to draw the pictures and cross them out when they leave, or add in another group when you add in either a group of 10s or 1s, then you go ahead and do it. What I'm looking for is all of your good answers. So, and I also want to make sure that you draw that arrow and saying how much it's changing by above each one. All right? Good luck, friend.
All right, very good. So now we're going to solve these problems. So here we see 10, 20, 30. It wants us to add one more. So you see 1 more than 30 is 10, 20, 30, 31. Okay, now we're going to do 1 less than 30. So we have 10, 20, 30, and then we're taking 1 away. So 1 less than 30 is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, 1 more than 39. So here's our 39 plus 1 more, 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, 1 less than 39. 1 less than 39. Let's see if you can figure it out. Did you say 38? You are correct. Oops. All right, here we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What is 10 more than 27? Let's see if you can figure out. Did you say 37? Good job. All right. First, you have to figure out what is here. And then 10 less. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. We're going to take away that 10. And what do we have left? 10 less than 33 is 23. Is that what you said? Good job. 1 more than 28. All right, so here's our 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 1 more is, did you say 29? Good job. Oops. All right, here we have 10 more than 28. There's our same 28. We're going to add a 10. And how many is there? Did you say 38? Great job. All right, now we want to figure out 1 more than 29. 1 more than 29. So I'm going to add my 1 more. Oh, but now look what I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to trade that 10 for a 10 stick. So 1 more than 29 is, did you say 30? 10, 20, 30? Good job. All right, now we want 10 more than 29. So here's our 29. We're going to add a 10. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Did you say 39? All right. Here is our 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 10 less than 26. All right, we're going to cross out one of those 10s. And I'm left with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you say 16? Good job. All right, 1 less than 26. So we're going to add in that X. And 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you say 25? Good job. All right, so we're going to do 10 less than 40. Here's 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're going to use that X and take 1 away. Let's see what we have left. 10, 20, 30. Did you say 30? Great job. All right, now we're going to do 1 less than 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. We're going to X out 1. And we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Did you say 39? Good job. And that is the end of our lesson. So now you will go ahead and do your math worksheets to finish up.